Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you are trying to talk on a multiplayer server in Minecraft and keep getting a red chat validation error or are instantly kicked for an invalid chat signature, the game is struggling to cryptographically verify your messages. I will show you exactly how to bypass these security profile errors right now. Let's get started. First, because modern Minecraft's chat reporting system relies on temporary cryptographic signatures, having your computer's internal clock out of sync will instantly invalidate every message you send. Open your Windows settings, navigate to Time and Language on the left sidebar, and click on Date and Time. Ensure that the toggle for Set Time Automatically is turned on, and explicitly click the Sync Now button to perfectly align your PC with the global time servers so your chat signatures do not expire. Next, if your time is perfectly correct, but your messages are still being blocked, a client-side mod you are using is likely intentionally stripping the security signatures from your text. Mods like No Chat Reports purposefully break these message signatures for privacy, but if the server requires them, your chat will fail to validate. You must either temporarily disable these specific privacy mods in your Fabric or Forge folder, or log in using a completely vanilla installation of the game to send verified messages. Finally, if you are the owner of the multiplayer server and want to completely stop your players from getting these validation kicks, you can disable the strict enforcement entirely. Access your server control panel files and open the main text document named server.properties. Locate the specific line labeled Enforce Secure Profile equals True and carefully change the word True to False. Save the file and completely restart your server to permanently allow all unsigned and modded chat messages to pass through without errors. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.